Jose Sixto Dingdong Gonzalez Dantes III, born August 2, 1980, is a Filipino actor, filmmaker, and television personality. He is known for his acting versatility and played dramatic and fantasy action roles in movies and television. His accolades include 10 times Box Office Entertainment Awards, 5 times PMPC Star Awards for Television, 3 times Eduk Circle Awards, 2 times FAMAS Award, 2 times Metro Manila Film Festival for Best Actor, 1 time Manila International Film Festival for Best Actor. A Seoul International Drama Awards Asian Star Prize, an Asian Academy Creative Awards for Best Entertainment Host, a Nickelodeon Kids' Choice Awards, a Gawad Pasado Award and a Gawad Tanglaw Award and a PMPC Star Awards for Movie, including nominations from Gawad Urian Award, Golden Screen Awards for Movie, Luna Award and an Asian Television Awards nomination. He gained prominence in the early 2000s when he co-starred with Tanya Garcia in the drama series Sana Ay Ikaw Na Nga and Twin Hearts. He achieved greater recognition in the late 2000s for his role opposite Marian Rivera in the television adaptation of Marimar. His other notable television appearances include Stairway to Heaven, Endless Love, and I Heart You, Pare. In addition to acting, Dantes has established himself as a television presenter, hosting several programs such as Starstruck, Family Feud, Amazing Earth, and The Voice Generations. Dantes has produced his own films under his production company, Agustodos Pictures, including Segunda Mano, Tik-Tik, The Aswang Chronicles, Kubot, The Aswang Chronicles 2, and Rewind, the latter of which became the highest-grossing film in the Philippines. He is married to Marian Rivera, and the couple has 2 children. Jose Sixto Gonzalez Dantes III was born on August 2, 1980, in Quezon City, Philippines to Angeline Gonzalez Dantes and Jose Sixto Jig Dantes Jr., a commander of Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary. He is the eldest son of 5 siblings with 3 younger sisters and a younger brother. Dantes studied at San Beda University but moved to Ateneo de Manila University to finish high school. He pursued higher education while juggling his showbiz career. Dantes enrolled college at West Negros University with a degree in business administration majoring in marketing. He graduated from college in 2014. He was enlisted as member of Philippine Naval Reserve Command in 2006 and was promoted to the rank of Lieutenant Commander in 2020. He graduated as part of Naval Combat Engineer Officer class in 2023 and had his field training as military reservist. Dantes owned Agustodos Pictures, an independent film studio established in 2011. He is the CEO of Doorbell Apps, a delivery apps which offers work to jobless showbiz workers. In 2025, he also ventured into food business chain and partnered with Mesa, a restaurant food group. He wanted to be a franchise owner of Mesa Restaurant 88, as a gift to Marian Rivera Dantes, his wife. Dantes has been a sports enthusiast. He is a NCCAA alumni. He took part in RunFest and finished. He joined Berlin Marathon. Dantes participated in several marathon, namely, UNICEF Heroes for Children Run, Book Run for Yes Pinoy Foundation, Lights, Camera, Run for MOA Fund members and a marathon against corruption. In 2016, he joined his first Ironman triathlon race with Kim Atienza, his teammates in Team Gotha for the Asia Pacific Championship in Cebu, where he finished a 90-kilometer bike ride. Dantes also joined the Ironman triathlon race 70.3 Davao in 2019. Dantes proposed for the second time to his perennial leading lady and longtime girlfriend, Marian Rivera, on the Marian Dance Show on August 9, 2014. They met on the set of Marimar in 2007. His first proposal was in Macau in August 2012. On December 30, 2014, Rizal Day, Dantes married Rivera in the Immaculate Conception Cathedral, Cubao, Quezon City. Both Dantes and Rivera are exclusive artists of GMA Network. After years of hard work and proven successes of their television projects, both individually or together, GMA gave them the honor of the title as their network's primetime king and queen. Thus, their wedding was given the title, The Royal Wedding. They announced an expected first child in April 2015. Rivera gave birth to Maria Letizia on November 23, 2015, and later gave birth to their second child Jose Sixto, on April 16, 2019, Holy Tuesday of the Holy Week. Dantes is the cousin of fellow actors Carlo Gonzalez, Arthur Solinap, and former sports anchor and current TV host Bianca Gonzalez Intal. He is also related to actor Enrique Hill, in which Dantes referred Enrique as his uncle. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 vlogs.